Round 1, we do Nature's Wrath, Quicken Spell, Entangle. Round 2, we do 3rd level Rhymes Binding Ice. But before that, we bonus action Innate Sorcery to up that DC. We have 1 sorcery point left, but what we can do is we can, with no action required, we can take a 1st level spell slot and convert it to a sorcery point, and then cast Quicken Spell, Rhymes Binding Ice, and do 1 True Strike Javelin attack with our action. And then round 4, we do the same thing, but instead of converting a 1st level spell slot, we convert a 2nd level spell slot, so we can get our 2 sorcery points needed for Quicken Spell, and then we Quicken Spell a level 2 Rhymes Binding Ice, and then we do a True Strike Javelin attack. Because in the first round of combat, we're not actually dealing any damage, we're just double restraining creatures, the DPR ends up being relatively low at 25.7, but I need to remind you, we're double restraining targets. Rhymes Binding Ice does half damage on a successful save, and if they fail, their speed is 0, and they have to use their action to get rid of the ice. We now have 3 different effects on them that prevent them from moving. 2 that give them the restraint condition, and also 2 that require an action to end. So most likely, no matter how successful these creatures are, they're definitely going to be really annoyed, and they're going to be way less effective at doing damage to you and your allies. As long as they're restrained, all attacks against them are at advantage. So even though this is a low DPR, you are controlling the battlefield great, even at level 6. In a single target scenario, I would do the same in round 1, and then all the other rounds, I would cast True Strike and Divine Smite your enemies with the Javelin at a distance.